At the end of this video, you'll be in a position to use SHEIN. You'll know how to download it, how to set it up, how to order on the app, and how to go about it. Some of the important things that you need to know. By the end of this video, you will know the do's and the don'ts. And yeah, let's do this video. I'm heading to my room so that we can start. What's up, good people? What's up, everyone? How are you all doing? I'm super excited because I just received a package from SHEIN. Hi, how are you? Yes, cash. So guys, I'm waiting to get my order and I'm gonna take you through how this process all went.
272.
Okay. Oh, you're Indian?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Hold these and wait, I have more here. It's 50 bob.
22.
Yeah, I'm looking for 22. This is okay. You have more cash, I'll give you 50 bob. I don't have 22. This, and I give you, wait, just let me put it down here. I have 2 bob. I have 2 real. Just give me 30. This 2 real, okay? Thank you. Oh, my money is working. So here's my package, you all. This is our neighborhood, like I told you. And now I'm heading back to the house. Then we are going to open this up and see exactly what we got. I just hope my gate is not locked. Okay. Oh, they just brought it outside the door, you all. I bought some stuff from the app. It was my first time experience. That is exactly what I want to tell you about, because I've seen many of you ask me, hey, how do you shop on SHEIN? Yo, it's the first time I'm buying. So even before that, my name is Nemo, the ultimate gorgeous on any social media platform. You could find me under that name on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, as well as YouTube. And make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel before you leave. Without wasting time, first of all, let me take you through the process of how I came across SHEIN and how I downloaded the app and how I set it up and how I ordered and how I got my package. And then I'm gonna show you exactly what I got and we'll see if it's exactly what I ordered. Like, I'm super excited. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and let's do this. I know you've all heard about SHEIN, especially if you're in Saudi Arabia or in these abroad countries. And SHEIN is basically an app where you can get to shop the latest fashion or anything that you need. So I came across this app and then, okay, I knew about the app, by the way, because when I used to be in Thailand, I used to buy things online, but mostly then we used to buy on Alibaba. So when I got to Saudi, we went to my boss's sister and I saw she had ordered a lot of things on SHEIN. And the whole time I was wondering, how can I buy? So I asked her and she just told me to download the app, but I didn't download by then because I didn't have a good phone. So when we came back home, I told my boss that I wanted to buy things on SHEIN, and she told me download the app. And then I downloaded the app on my phone. You could go to App Store or Play Store and download the app. Just type there SHEIN, it will come and then you will download. So because I didn't know the exactly details that I needed to put in there, I mean the address, whatever, if you know the address, then you can go ahead and set up the app yourself. So for me, I took my phone to my boss. She did the akaniekea zile details. She put all the details that I needed to put there, and then it was good to go. When she told me it was good to go, I just got into the app, I ordered, I went through, you know, you order what you want. So for me, I was looking for fitness clothes and phone covers, because I bought a phone and it did not have a cover. So I go there, I put in my things, as you can see them pop here on the screen, and then I placed the order. I remember I ordered during Ramadan, I think the last week of Ramadan, and they told me that I was going to get my order by latest probably 24th now of that nini. No, they didn't tell me I was gonna get that. They sent me a notification later on to tell me that my order was going to delay due to the Ramadan period. They are on break, and that is exactly what happened. Now let me tell you, when I ordered on SHEIN, I did not know exactly how you go about it, and I did not bother even to ask my boss, because I thought because my boss put up the location for me, I was just going to come, they're just going to bring. I thought my boss put the address of this house, so me, I thought they already had the address, and the whole time I have been waiting for them to call me. So now today morning, I receive a notification from SHEIN, and I check my phone, and they tell me that your order has been dispatched. And I am like, I didn't receive a call, why is it being dispatched? And they go ahead and tell me that follow this tracking number to see what's exactly happening with your order. So for me, I contact. So they're like, they tell you, if you've received your order, do not contact. If you've not follow up with this, they sent me that thing, and I went ahead on Chrome, I searched, and I saw actually they have brought this package 3 times now. Today now is the 3rd time, because the first time they brought it on Monday, but I didn't know, you guys, that the number that you put there on that app must be on WhatsApp. This, I think, is one of the things that you need to know before you order on SHEIN, that the number that you're going to put up there in the app must be on WhatsApp, because now after it has been shipped, I think from China or wherever, when it gets to you, then they use your number. They don't call your number, they WhatsApp you to give them the location, which I failed, because I gave them my Saudi number, and my Saudi number is not even on WhatsApp. So I think that maybe is on me. But I think it's also not on me, because I didn't know about the app. So today in the morning when I woke up and I saw they brought it on Monday and yesterday, then they chose to send me a notification. Okay, so I took the phone, I was checking, as you can see here, some of the details that they were sending me, and I took the numbers of the drivers that were to bring the luggage, the package, I mean, and I called. I tried to reach the both of them, because the office hotline was not going, I think because I don't have credit, and I use free calls whenever I buy data for my phone for a month. So I made an effort and looked for the email, and I wrote the email to them. And I also, one of the drivers, I think the driver that had brought it yesterday, actually responded my WhatsApp message, and I told him that I have put up my Saudi number into an WhatsApp, and they can kindly contact me, and I sent an email to the office as well. So they responded so fast. By the way, big up to that company. I think it has been brought by J&T Express. Big up to J&T Express, because they have responded as fast as I have made the request. And I think that is one of the most important thing you need to know. If you're going to order something on SHEIN, you must have a number that is on WhatsApp, because they will now contact you on WhatsApp to ask you to send your location, and you're just going to pin the location for them. And I think now that we have the package, with all the due respect, can we unbox and see if exactly the things I ordered is what I got, and is it a yes or a no? So hey, I'm excited. Maybe to mention before we go on with the unboxing, this is how their seal comes. They have the information of J&T Express, and then they have your location there, and then the SHEIN, and then they tag some of the items that are in there, and then now the amount, and that is exactly it. So I'm just gonna open up this. The sealing, nothing much, yeah, not a box, just a paper, but I think that is how SHEIN things come. I really don't care about the packaging so much, so long as I've gotten the package. So I'm just gonna tear this up right now, right here, and we are going to see exactly what we got. I'm super excited, you all. Yo, who is excited to see what we are unboxing here? Because me, I'm so excited. we start from the top, right? Okay, so this is the first thing that I ordered. I think we are going to have another video after this because yo, I'm blown. I haven't even opened. I hope I ordered the best size for myself. This is M. Oh my god, I just love these. The quality, my goodness, the quality, you guys, the quality, oh my god. Yo, oh my god, I just hope it's not going to be big because it's an M. Okay, I think we're going to do another video, but I love the quality, my goodness. So it comes with that is the top, and I'm pinning the whatever I had ordered online, and the pants. Here's the pants. I don't know if the pants will fit. It seems shorter, but we shall see that shortly. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I ordered 2 workout outfits like I told you guys, and here's the second one. This is the bralette for the second one. This is how it looks. Yo, this is it's a workout outfit. This is how it looks, as you can see. And the pant itself again, here we go. Oh my god, I love these. My goodness, look at this. I love this. And this is long enough. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy. Then I ordered some phone covers for my phone, the phone I'm recording with. Maybe I'll put them later, and I'll get to have them. I'll borrow my boss her phone. This is the first one. It's in black. I ordered a black one, and I just love them, by the way. SHEIN, huh? Where you're wonderful. Yeah, so this is the first cover that I ordered. This is the second one. I love it. I love this one. Just look at the Nini. Yo, and then you have your nails done. Yo, I am already falling in love with SHEIN. And I ordered another one. This is how it looks. This is a clear one. Okay, this is just a clear, and it's very strong. I love this because it's very strong. I ordered this other one as well, but the camera on all the covers are out. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I love these. I am happy, and definitely, if you know me, I'm a favorite my favorite color is yellow, and I definitely had to order one more in yellow. You guys know I'm happy. I'm so happy. So I have this yellow phone cover. I love it. I love it. I have them on the screen, as you can see, even the prices. I love it. Oh my god. I ordered so many phone covers, you all. 7 phone covers. Wow. And then this other one. This is just simple. It's this is the normal cover we see everywhere, I guess. But I love it. This is me to the world, because yo, we gonna travel like no one's business. And I love this one as well. I can't just wait to try them on. Yo, I ordered like so many phone covers. Wait, did I order 2 black phone covers? Oh yeah, but different design. Oh, one is written, one is plain. Girls, what is usually wrong? Wow, and it has a handle. So this one has a handle, and it's written. I just want to be really happy. Comes with a string. I don't know. Oh, this string, I don't know how you attach it. Let me try. Okay, I'm thinking. Yeah, from the top to the down. I'm just guessing, you guys. I don't know if I'm right. Okay, to the bottom. Yo, I'm excited. Who is excited for me? And I think this video should blow. Yo, if you haven't liked this video until this point, you need to like. So I'm figuring it's like that, and then this comes from here. Yeah, because yeah, this is how I think I had seen it. And then you can just hold your phone there and have it there. I wish I was recording. I had another phone to record with. I love this cover, to be honest. I love this cover. I just want to be really happy. And then this one is the black one, so these are two. Maybe I'm gonna give somebody this as a gift, her. And then I have now this clear one. I ordered this one, the strong one in 2 colors. This clear one, let's see. Okay, this is the clear one. I love this one. It's super strong. I think I'm gonna have my phone on this one. It's very strong, by the way. It's very, really strong. There's 2 layers, protective film to front and inner side of the phone case. Okay, they have some details. I'm gonna read that on later. And the last thing that I ordered, you guys, was this. This is a shoe, and I got this shoe for 80, and I don't know if it's big or small. I ordered a larger size. Yo, what do you think? And I even posted this. I even posted it on my page. We are going. I love it. So I ordered 39 because I figured, because my leg was broken. You see, I ordered 39 because I figured, because my leg was broken, I'll need a larger size so that my leg does not swell up. And those are all the things that I ordered. This is the last thing, and this is how it looks, the shoe. Yo, I'm tempted to try this one on because I wasn't really sure of the size. Yo, perfect. I swear, perfect. Yeah, so if you're ordering a sports shoe, you need to order a larger size, because you know, if you order 38, it's gonna be tight, because I can even feel this one iko tight a little bit, but I think ni juni mpya. Yeah, but I think 39 was not. Yeah, imagine hata 39 kidole yangu inaguza hapo mbele. My kidole is guzaring a front, so I don't know if I should order 40, or I think 39 is just fine. I don't know. I'm not sure, because I can feel it touch my toe. Because if you order sports shoe, you order a larger size a little bit. So let me try even the other one. Yeah, one leg, the broken leg is touching the floor, but the right leg is not. Okay, let me show you this from the nini. You see? So this is the shoe. Ayo, what are you telling me? 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 I just love this. Worth all the penny that I put. Worth all the penny, you guys. So I had ordered a larger size because of my leg, and I swear this is worth all the penny. It's worth all the penny that I put there. And yeah, let's put back the camera so we can end the video. So that is basically it about this video, guys. I am honestly happy with my first experience with SHEIN, and I would really recommend it to anyone that has been asking me about SHEIN. Like, honestly, I've never seen services so fast, responded so fast. Like, the response was so fast, and I'm mind blown. To be honest, I'm mind blown, because mostly when you're trying to reach out to get most of your packages, they delay, they take time when they respond. But to be honest, I'm blown. I'm mind blown by these services. I love the, was it JNT Express, and I love how SHEIN has taken all this process. Like, it hasn't taken that long to get my package, because even when they had a holiday, they even notified and told me that, hey, your package was gonna delay because there's this holiday Ramadan thing, the Eid Rafitr, and look, it has come today, and they have tried 2 times to deliver this to me, and I didn't know about the WhatsApp. So I think I am more than content. I'm gonna fit these outfits, and then we're gonna see how they look. I think maybe I'm gonna fit and screen them somewhere during the video, but in case I don't, thank you so much for tuning on this video. And I think I am happy with the money that I invested with them. That is the 271 Saudi Riyal. I am so happy, more than happy. To be honest, I love the phone covers, and I recommend you try it out. In case you need more help, kindly follow me on Instagram, inbox me over there, and I'm gonna help you where I can. I love you. Don't always forget that. I'ma see you on my next one, and bye bye.